Hi everybody, so here I am in the outback doing a short video with the 360 magnetic mount, which you can see that I've placed on the front of this big truck. Now, it's very dusty, very stony around here, so we're not going to travel far with it on. What we're going to do is just go down the track here through the bush. And just do a small demonstration on what you can film using an Insta360 X3 on a Best360 magnetic mount. Let's give it a go. So that's the Best360 mount. Once you've finished, it's not easy to take off. The only way you can take it off is to grab it. You cannot do that. You just tilt it slightly and it comes off very easily. So yeah, Best360 mount, recommend it. Really good little piece of kit if you want to film yourself going along in a car. Stick it on the ground, use it as a stand. Superb. Nice to see you all the best. Now off with the rest of my trip round Oz.